How much do you love Costco? If you're a Costco member, comment below. Let me know the one product or service that you absolutely love. I love the prices and quality of the produce, the dog food I get from my dog Blake, and the cat food and cat litter I get from my cat Amelie. You know what else I love? It's the Citibank Anywhere Costco Visa. It has so many advantages that I'm going to go over with you, including so much free Costco Cash. What's up? This is Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. I talk about making money, saving money, finance, investing, real estate investing, and credit cards. If these are topics you're interested in, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. If you like to save money with high quality products and don't know about Costco, you have got to check it out. I'm really not that into shopping, but I'm almost always up for a Costco run. The Costco card has so many benefits that I'm going to break down for you. I have so many credit cards and I use them for so many different purposes. The benefits of my Costco card are so much better in certain categories. In my opinion, the way to use credit cards the right way is to put all of your normal expenses that you can on your credit card. You want to be careful not to spend anything extra than you normally would. You pay your credit card bill in full each month and on time to avoid all fees. If you can stick to that and never carry a balance with interest, you're going to be way ahead of the game. You're going to get so many perks and benefits from credit cards. For this card, one of the best benefits is the cash back. You get 4% back for gas up to $7,000 a year. If you go to the gas station at Costco, you're typically going to be saving more than any station around. You get 3% back for restaurants and eligible travel. You get 2% back at Costco and Costco.com and 1% back for anything else. I don't typically use this for other categories because there's always a 2% card that you can use that's out there, unless there's a benefit that I'm getting from this card. The cashback on this one is a little bit different than other cards. You're going to receive a certificate on your February statement that's going to cover all of the cashback that you've earned from the year before. So it's going to be a bigger amount, but it is only once a year. You then take that certificate to your Costco and you can either cash it out or use it for your purchase at Costco. I would recommend cashing it out, even if you're going to Costco to shop, and then put your purchase on your Costco card or another card so you get the benefits from that card. In order to use this credit card, you will need to have a Costco card, so you will be paying an annual fee for your Costco card. If for some crazy reason that I don't understand you're planning on canceling your Costco membership, make sure that you do it after you cash your certificate. If you do not have an active Costco card, you won't be able to cash it. If you are canceling your Costco card, you can cancel at any time, but make sure you cash that certificate first because you don't want to lose out on any money. A lot of benefits on this card are similar to some of the other cards, but one of the benefits that really stands out on this one is the extended warranty. If you purchase a qualified item with this card that already has an extended warranty, they will add 2 years on top of that warranty, up to 7 years total. There are some exceptions, but it does have quite a bit of coverage. I made a previous video about how I make money watching dogs through Rover. I'll link to it below if you'd like to check it out. I then purchased the spa with the money I made through Rover and used my Costco card so I could extend that warranty. This also has damage or theft protection for most items. They'll be covered up to $1,000 per item and up to $50,000 per year. Again, there are some exceptions. You'll be able to use this up to 120 days after your purchase or 90 days in New York. The next few coverages are beneficial, but they do overlap some of the other cards. So when you're making a purchase, you want to make sure to use the card that's going to be giving you the best benefit. You're going to have worldwide car rental insurance. So most cars you rent are covered with some exceptions. This also offers Roadside Dispatch. So if you don't have AAA or your car doesn't come with towing, or you don't have some kind of towing on your insurance and you're in a bind, there's a phone number you can call. They'll send someone out for a towing service and you just pay for that one fee. This is actually a pretty good option if you don't have towing and you don't need it very often, and you can just pay for it when you need it. There's also 24/7 travel and emergency assistance. You have a number you can call and they're going to help you with referrals, getting help when you don't speak the language. There are exclusions, but this is a free service, so it may come in handy. This includes worldwide accident insurance up to $250,000, This is one hopefully you or I will never need. Some of the other benefits include no foreign transaction fee, Citi Concierge, where an expert is ready 24/7 to assist you with traveling, shopping, dining, and everyday needs. You also have zero liability on unauthorized charges. This will give you your FICO score. It also has a quick lock where you can go online and lock your card if you lose it, and then if you find it, go back online and unlock it. This includes identity theft solutions. As a Citibank customer, you could automatically use the free service of Citi Identity Theft. If you get your identity stolen, they help you get it back, which from what I hear is a very time-consuming process. Again, I hope you never need this. I hope I never need it, but it's nice to know it's there. Here's what the Citi Identity Theft Solution Specialist will do for you. We'll work with you to contact the TransUnion Credit Bureau to review your credit report and apply an extended fraud alert to your credit file, which will be transmitted electronically to the other two major reporting agencies. Monitor your TransUnion Credit Bureau report until your case is closed. Advise you on how to complete a police report and other governmental forms that may be required. Help you identify any other compromised accounts and assist you in contacting these creditors. Keep in touch with you about the status of your case until it is closed. Provide you with step-by-step guide to assist you in the process. You can set up account alerts and mobile alerts. This has fraud early warning, so they'll let you know if they notice any unusual transactions on your account. You have an option for paperless statements if you want to save those trees. So this is why I love this credit card. I don't use it for everything, but I do really like it for the items that I use. And as I said before, I just love Costco. I will be reviewing in detail some of the other cards that I use since I am one of those people that does use multiple credit cards. Check out my review of the Uber credit card, which I will link below, and that one gives you free cell phone insurance. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, and leave me a comment. I will see you next time. Bye.